Hello people. Today I wanted to talk about shortcuts because I wanted to customize shortcuts and I modified some shortcuts. For example, Rapid 8 tool, I assigned a symbol E for move tool W for scale R. So I did the same like industry standard, the same what I did with Blender people. I will show you how to modify shortcut keywords and where they are being saved. Because I think we have got a folder application data. If you don't see this folder, you have to go to view, folder options, and show hidden files folder and drives, and then apply to folders. I wish I could make it visible before, but I wouldn't mess with unhiding this folder because this folder is quite big and I do not want to mess up changing now because I have lots of files in it, but I wish I could unhide after when I installed Windows, but you can always unhide. So go to application data, local, or roaming. I think this was roaming Maxon Cinema 4D version 2023. I think you have to go to references, shortcuts. You see shortcut keywords, and you can save keyboard shortcuts. I will show you how to change keyboard shortcuts. For example, I want to change when we zoom in. I press S on my keyboard. What we got here? What we got here? Navigation view. Okay. Frame Frame selected elements. No, this. I will check something. I think we can modify this quickly. A window, a customization command manager. Maybe I will type here because this will be a lot easier for me. Wait a minute, I only wanted to press uh, S. Okay, what we got here? What we have got here? Frame the view to all selected objects. Wait a minute, I have to make this window bigger. Frame selected, this motion tracker, frame selected, timeline. I think I will have to check. I think I will have to check the proper one. I get confused because scroll to selection. I think this is to do with what we were looking for. Okay, I will delete this and I will assign a different shortcut keywords assign, and I will check if this keyword why this doesn't work. Now I will have to check something. Frame selected. Something is not what I wanted. I think motion tracker. Let's check if I can delete this and press F. It's not motion tracker. I want to assign to view or frame all. I see nothing here. Oh. Something people is missing. Frame default. Hmm. Okay, frame selected elements. This is what we need. frame selected elements. Customization. Frame selected. Hopefully this will be visible. Okay, I can see this is visible. I need to delete this and I need to press F. I don't know if this works or not. And this doesn't work. Wait a minute. It works. But this has been assigned to motion. I think this is working okay. What I will do, customization command manager. Now we will make duplication of the file duplicate, and our file will be here, somewhere here. What file is this? This, we need to rename this file. I think I will have to, I will check this. Auto display. Okay. Hopefully this will update in real-time viewport. Oh yes, it works. But I have to make sure I haven't messed up anything. Yes, this works, people. You can copy your keyboard shortcuts. And you can make backup. Okay, I will copy. Keyboard resets. Because I didn't like Cinema 4D default shortcut keywords. Because I'm Blender user mainly. So now I feel like I'm working in Blender. We could actually change with knife. Because when I press K, but K, I have similar keyboard shortcut. Oh, okay, I forgotten because we also have like transform tool in Cinema 4D. Where is transform tool? There is another interesting tool. Oh no, why this is happening? This is a little bit annoying. Sometimes knife tool doesn't cut edges. Sometimes you have to cut once again. This is what I don't like about this new version of Cinema 4D. Because in old version of Cinema, I didn't have any problems with knife tool at all. It was just working fine without any hassle. But this knife tool in new version of the Cinema, this sometimes doesn't work as I want. I don't see crashes, but I just have to cut once again edge. Okay, I hope you like my video tutorial. I don't normally publish video tutorials about Cinema 4D because I'm more concerned about Blender, but this program is still okay, and I like working within Cinema 4D. Okay, what we got here? I just have to save my project. And don't forget to go to Window Customization Command Manager, and you have to go to Command Manager to be able to change the keyboard shortcuts. See you guys.